I have to say, in 32 years as a PA, this is probably one of the, or not the most useful conference that I've been to. Great speakers, great hands-on facilitators as well. A lot of great information that I think I can take back and use immediately, changing my practice. Using the point-of-care ultrasound for evaluating acute abdominal pain, biliary scan, looking for appendicitis, fast exam for trauma victims, all good stuff. Vascular access, got a ton of hands-on, way more than any other conference I've ever been to. Worth the money. Yeah, I would recommend this for a new grad, someone out 10 years, 20 years. You're never too old to learn. You just have a willingness.